Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video, I will show you that how you can change your Monopoly Go account. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first of all, let's launch the Monopoly Go application, and once we are in that, I will show you that how you will be able to change your Monopoly Go account. So let's just wait for it to load and then we will get started. Here as you can see that I am in Monopoly right now. So before starting this process, I want you to make sure that your Monopoly is up to date. You can just check by going into Play Store and make sure that your game is up to date. So now once you are in the game, on the top right corner you will see a burger menu. So click on this menu and then from here you will have to click on settings button. So once you have clicked on settings button, you can also delete your account by clicking on account deletion button, or what you can do is click on the green connect account button, and here you can see I have connected my 3 accounts. So let's suppose I want to change one of my account. So I will click on the disconnect button and it says are you sure to disconnect your Facebook account. So let's click on disconnect, and now you can see that my Facebook account has been disconnected and now I can change my account. So if I click on play with friends button and click confirm, and here you can see that I have logged into my new Facebook account, and that's how I was able to change my account on Monopoly. So that's how simple it is to change account on Monopoly Go. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.